Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to download shows on Amazon Prime Video. So this is very simple. First step is to pick a show. So let's say I will pick this show and I want to download it. So let's pick Shrek, click on it. Now press download right here and this will open up an app store. So click on open. Then click on get the app and install it. Once the Prime Video app is installed, click on open and then simply sign in. So here type your email and press continue. Here type your Amazon password and simply press sign in. Then choose your profile. You can select not now right here and then find the show that you wanted to download it. So in my case it will be Shrek show and click download. And now insert your account PIN in order to download this show. English will be automatically downloaded for this video and you can choose any additional language to download with it as well. And then click on start download. Now your show will be downloaded and that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.